Welcome back to the channel. Most of you guys were asking, please make a video related to Salesforce challenge. We want to know about the event, so here's the video for all of you. But before we start, make sure you subscribe the channel. Now coming to the Trailhead Quest website, here you can see multiple quests are live. I hope you must be knowing now that here we complete some quest and we complete some challenge which includes labs and quizzes and we get a chance to win some cool goodies. Now here chance means some people get the swags, not everyone. So you can try your luck, but the opportunity what you are getting is free of cost. Now coming to the challenges, here you can see Agent Vibe's quest is live. How you have to complete? You have to click on Vibe now and just see all the details over here. Here complete details are mentioned. You have to complete modules, projects, and then you have to just submit your project in this form. For that also I have made a detailed video. I'll link the video in the description about the Agent 5 quest section. Now coming to the new season is the become an agent blazer champion. Now here you have to just click on it, and here what you'll find, a new challenge is live. You have to again complete all these modules, and at last you have to click on it. See, most of the people may make clickbait titles with this, that you need to complete only these modules within 10 to 12 minutes, but it's not possible. You have to complete the champion trail also. You can see all these are available over here. So like this you have to complete entire trail and you'll be getting a chance to win some cool goodies. So this was the quick update, and for solutions also, some of the solutions are live on the channel. Make sure to check it out. If you're interested in participation in different events like Google Cloud Arcade, for that also just check the playlist section. You can see multiple videos are live. This is the playlist. Let me just show you. So if you want to participate in the arcade program, I have linked the video. You can watch it, and also the playlist is here. So do like the video and subscribe the channel, guys. If you still have any doubts, do let me in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day.